Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to color correct an image using Adobe Photoshop. Without further ado, let's start. Open an image in Photoshop, click on New Adjustment Layer, then Curves. You see the 3 eyedropper tool here, click on gray eyedropper tool in the middle. Click on Image, find a gray color in image and click on that area. Boom! The orange cast in the image is now correct. What if there is no gray color in the image? We use a blend mode, difference, to find the gray color in the image. The difference blend mode subtracts the pixels of the base and blend layers. When you subtract 2 pixels with the same value, the result is black. Let's take a look. Using the gray color, we make the 2 square shapes on separate layers. Then change the blend mode of upper layer to difference. And now you see when we overlap one shape to another, the overlapping area comes black. This is what difference blend mode done, it's minus the same color from underlying layer. Using this technique, we find gray color in image. Go to Image Adjustment Layer, Solid Color, choose a natural gray color code is 808080. Click OK. Now change the blend mode to difference. The dark black color is natural gray, because we subtract gray color from image. Using the brush tool, mark the black area on a separate layer to remember. Delete the blend mode layer, as its work is done. Click on Image or Background Layer. Go to Adjustment Layer, click on Curves, select the gray eyedropper tool and click in the mark area. The image orange cast is gone, and the image color is corrected. Also delete or hide the markers we draw to find gray color. Thanks for watching, and not forget to subscribe and like.